Professor Fast Carolyn Lammersfield Road, Vice President of Integrative Medicine for the Cancer Treatment Centers of America, said that the research on using the keto diet to help cancer patients does not suggest that the keto diet should be routinely recommended outside of a clinical trial setting for any type of cancer or treatment. This study did not evaluate the impact of the diet on cancer outcomes, she warned. As for why the one group lost more weight, Lammersfield said it is possible that the ketogenic diet resulted in lower calorie intake than the ACS diet due to the elimination of a significant number of foods. It is also possible that the metabolic effects of the ketogenic diet contributed to greater fat loss, Lammersfield noted. Lee Tracy, Road, a dietitian and certified diabetes educator at the Center for Endocrinology at Mercy Medical Center in Baltimore, also advised people to remember that the study did not focus on whether or not the keto diet prevented or inhibited cancer growth, only on changes to the body, including the fact that the diet reduced that patient's central body fat, improved insulin levels, and improved lean body mass. While it's possible that adhering to the keto diet on a short term may lower body fat, more research is needed to look at the long-term effects of following the ketogenic diet. Dr. J. Michael Gonzalez Campoy, Medical Director and CEO of the Minnesota Center for Obesity, Metabolism, and Endocrinology, said that long-term nutritional eating plans, not diets, are better suited to help patients. Though he admits weight loss can help people with estrogen-sensitive cancers, he said that the keto diet only offers temporary weight loss results. A 2010 case study trusted source found that a post-surgical cancer patient on keto experienced slowed tumor progression, but progression returned when the patient went off the keto diet. For me, the focus is on optimizing nutrition, and on nutritional interventions as part of the therapy for chronic diseases, he said. Depriving the body of access to any major macronutrient changes metabolism and invariably has a negative impact on health. The best nutritional intervention for weight loss is a caloric-restricted, portion-controlled, well-balanced meal plan. A report on the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute's website states that benefits to following keto for cancer patients are not evident, and there are potential risks. It may be difficult for keto dieters to meet their energy and protein needs, and the diet may cause long-term issues, including kidney damage, higher cholesterol levels, unintentional weight loss, bone loss, and certain vitamin and mineral deficiencies, the article says. They say a more moderated approach to the diet may be advised, and cite evidence-trusted source that reducing refined carbohydrates and increasing the amount of healthy fats consumed can be beneficial to one's overall health. The bottom line: the keto diet helped women with ovarian cancer or endometrial lower insulin levels and lose weight. Researchers speculate that the keto diet will help deprive cancer cells of the glucose they use to thrive, and help improve the health of the cancer patient. But the research is still in the early stages, and experts say cancer patients should not turn to the keto diet as way to fight cancer, but eat healthy overall and talk to their doctor.